Great, great. So had your lunch?
Yeah.
So today we are going to use it in your system. I mean, yesterday we did some activities, right?
Yeah.
Text view and a button and a toast. So we are going to do it in your system, and I'm going to give some homework today. I hope you don't mind. It's not a homework. It will be more interesting for you. So it is not about coding. So it's about the second activity which we have to do. Okay. So today we'll do it in your system, and eventually tomorrow I'll assign what are all the things we have to do. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
So do you have any doubts? Regarding yesterday's classes or previous classes, do you have any doubts?
No.
Sure.
It's all clear.
Sure. So, see, can you please share your AnyDesk ID? Okay, I do have it. Just approve it, okay? I have your AnyDesk ID. Let me connect. And see, what you have to do is, yesterday we have done some tasks. You have to repeat it in your system. That's it. Very simple. If you do it right, we'll move to second project, okay? So second project will be a color changer application. So all the process is similar, but we have to make more activities. Don't worry about that. First, let us complete this one, and after completing, we'll move to second project. Okay. And the third project will be according to your ideas. It will be implemented. So ideas will be like a storytelling application. You have to create your own story. Let me teach you that. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
So please approve AnyDesk now so that I can access your system. So I think you are not approving.
It hasn't came yet.
Oh,
The
okay.
request hasn't came.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Network connection timeout. Okay, but here LAN is connected. Yes. Can you please disconnect your internet and connect it again? I mean, a laptop internet connection. You are connected with your mobile, right? So disconnect it and connect it again. It will work.
Okay.
Eventually, I'll tell you the AnyDesk ID of yours. Please check whether it is right or not. Okay. 58650. I'll repeat it again. 58650 4145. Right?
504415.
504145. Right?
Correct. Yeah.
No. You're not supposed to give permission. Just give me a minute. Again, I'll do it. No worries. I'll do it. It's because I have to check whether you are doing it right or not, right? So that is the reason. If you understand the concept, we'll move to the second project. Everything is almost similar. Instead of toast, we are going to use some other coding to move to second activity. Okay. So I think right now you are in Rainbow. No need to close. Okay, what we have to do is go to file. I'll assist you. I will never do anything. Okay. Go to file and create a new project. You do it. Name an application. Any name is fine. Any name is fine. Like whether my app is fine or my name is fine. Anything is fine. What happened?
Nothing.
No, still you have not declared your name, it seems.
What?
I mean, have you mentioned your name here?
Yeah.
It is not showing for me.
It got stuck.
Oh, got it.
Yeah.
Whether AnyDesk got stuck or Android Studio got stuck.
No, that AnyDesk maybe.
Oh, okay. If that is the case, I'll disconnect this and connect it again. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll close this and I'll run this. But Android Studio is working, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
Please give permission, okay? Yeah, it is accepted. You minimize this thing. I mean, AnyDesk. Okay, Mango. Okay. So, Java. Yeah, it is okay. You can move on to next thing. I mean, finish the project. So as we discussed, it will take some time. So right now the Gradle process will be running. Okay. See, as we discussed, it is running. So Gradle is started. We are not supposed to do anything. So after Gradle finished successfully, what you have to do is you minimize this project and close the Rainbow project. So it's because your system will be more speed if you use one project. So we don't want the Rainbow project, right? So eventually we'll close that Rainbow project. Okay, after completion of the Gradle. Okay.
Yeah.
It will take 10 to 15 minutes. That's it for the completion of this project. And eventually we'll talk about the color changer app. Today we can start the color changer app as well. Okay. And tomorrow I could like to give you some homework. I hope you don't mind. See, right now.
Yeah, sure.
Show you the See, some moral stories are here. Okay. Either you can do whatever. See, it consists of 8 to 10 lines of words. Okay. I mean 8 to 10 lines.
Yeah.
So you have to make some stories regarding corona awareness or pandemic. Anything is fine. It's totally your wish, but a short story, not a large story. So from tomorrow and I mean from today, tomorrow, and today it's Wednesday, right? Up to Friday, color changer app will be there. Okay. So after Friday, we'll be creating your own story application. Okay. So before Friday, please submit your story. Not before Friday, before Thursday, before tomorrow evening, you submit your short story. I'll be creating an animation. I'll be downloading according to your story requirements, and I'll teach you how to download the PNG file. Okay, how to download the images to put it in your application. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
So we'll create your own story application. Got it? Am I confusing you?
No, it's fine. But we have to take subject as a corona or
any subject is fine. Not only about the corona, any subject is fine. Whether positivity or any subject is fine. Any subject, whether it is an exam, it is fine. So any subject is fine. I need a short story, which consists of 10 lines, which consists of 6 to 8 slides or 10 slides. Okay. If it is a current situation based, it will be more easier. See, I can create a story. We do have a stories, but it will be more easier if you create your own story. So while creating a project, it will be more easier for you and it will be more understandable. That is the reason I'm asking you. Okay, it will take half an hour of your time, yeah. So it won't distract your routine. I mean, distract your. Chill.
Yeah.
See, usually it won't take this much of time. Okay, for Gradle building. Usually it will take maximum of 5 minutes to 10 minutes according to the system configuration. It is finished, but see it is delayed due to your previous application. So we have to close this, and eventually since we are using AnyDisk and Zoom call, that is the reason it is getting delayed. Okay.
Okay.
Please open the yeah. Shall we say it will take some time? No worries. It is analyzing. It is completed, but it is analyzing. So it will create a design, a XML design. So it will take some time. Okay, whether 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Go to XML activity. So what you have to do? So I won't help you. If you are doing some mistakes, I'll guide you. Okay. Shall we start?
Yeah.
Great. Great. See, 1 second. Can you please delete that? Enter delete. Enter delete. We have a delete option. No, not like, even you can do that like that, but you have some delete option in your keyboard, right? Please enter delete.
Yeah.
Automatically the text will delete. See, no worries. Yeah. See here, you please enter a hello world and enter delete. Okay. It will be deleted. Okay, now do it. Now do it. See, by default, let me tell you something, Vedika. By default, a text view will be there. Hello world will be there if you create a new project. So if you want to put some other text view, either you can edit that text view or you can delete the text view and drag and put a new text view. You got my point?
Yeah.
Or do I want to? Okay, so do it again. Yeah, I can start. Great. Okay. You are assigning an ID for? See. Control A. You press Control A and delete it. Okay. See, again, go here, go to text view, select this, and now you have to change the ID. You're doing correct, but yeah. Either you can select that or you can go to select a text view. You have to change the ID. Anything is fine. You can mention an ID, anything is fine. Even you entered back, right? Even back is fine.
Okay.
Okay. Fruit, right? FRUIT. Okay. So come here and select somewhere, it will ask you whether you really want to change. So you enter refactor. Okay,
Yeah.
great. It is changed. So what's next? What do you have to do?
Next is that.
Oops, it is disconnected. Can you please connect it again? I mean, you have to connect your AnyDesk. But you are doing a great job, yeah. Until, I mean, see, it is so easy. So what is the next step? So please accept AnyDesk and you have to move to next step. Okay. Is there any network issue? Ms. Vedika, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have any network issue now?
No. It's all connected and it's saying that it's accepted.
Okay, but it is not showing. Ah, yeah, now it is working. Okay. So now what do you have to do?
Change background color.
Yeah, if you want to change, you can change it. Good. Great. Okay. Now what do you have to do?
Font.
Okay. Great. You want some other font?
Yeah.
So what do you have to do? Good. Great. Okay. No, you have to add the font, right?
Yeah.
Again, go to font.
Can't see it.
So you have to change the size. Okay, good. Great. So now what we have to do? Have you practiced yesterday? I mean, after classes, you did those things.
Yeah, I checked it. Not practice, but I recalled everything.
Great, great, great.
It's not
No,
coming in a set.
because you're not selected, go to gravity again. No. Already you are in gravity, right? You have
Yeah.
gravity, open gravity. No, not like that. Just give me a minute. Close this. See, you have to select here. Okay, enter center. Now it is.
Yeah.
Okay, great, right?
Yeah.
So what we have to do now?
Text.
Good, good. See why it is not coming. Let me tell you. Please hold on. Don't do anything. Why the text is not coming? You have any guesses? If That's
we have to
totally
write
fine.
it in
You're doing a
table,
great
maybe.
job. Yeah, no. Enter text. Enter text. Please enter text. TEXT. Go on. Now it is not coming. Why is that? Because
Text view.
exactly because text view is not selected. Either you can select here or you can select here. You got it?
Yeah.
Anywhere.
Yeah.
Either here. If you select here, text will come. Remove the V. Now it is in V, right? I mean, what I mean is, yeah. So now the text is
Yeah.
here. So you can change the text.
Yeah.
Great. Any name is fine, yeah. I mean, even your name is fine or any name is fine. So it is to, it is to display that. Okay. So now see, if you select somewhere in the here, let me select. See, now it is changed, but the only problem is everything is in small letter, right? What we have to do?
Font text size.
No, text all caps. Below the text all cap is there, right? Select here.
Yeah.
You want to change the font and or you really want to change the text color?
No, it's all fine.
Okay, so everything is fine now, right?
Yeah.
So what about the next process?
Now.
Either
But-
you can do two things. Either if you select this text, some pop-up will come, or you have to drag a button. Even while selecting the button, some pop-up will come. So what you have to do? Anything is fine. It's all according to your wish. Even we can, set on click listener. Either you can put it in button also. Even we can do it in text view also. You don't want to do anything now. Even you can do it in text view also. Can we do it in that way? What else you have to do now? It's totally your wish.
No, it's fine to do in text.
Okay, so you don't want to use button now, is it?
Yeah.
So until now, XML is completed for you, right?
Yeah.
You don't want the button now. Sure. Yeah.
We can use it in next project.
Yeah, we can try this and again we can try button also. Okay. Great, yeah. As of now, it is clear, right? Go to main activity.java.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah, sure. Take your own time.
Hello, sir. Anydex has been disconnected.
Okay, no problem. Just give me a minute. It's because of the network. You close it, you close it and open it again, it will work. It's not, my system is clear. I think it's because right now you are using 3 activities, right? That is the reason it is happening. You close
Yeah.
any desk and open it, surely it will work. Eventually, I'll do the same. Okay. Okay. Again, I'm entering your AnyDesk ID. Please give permission. Okay. Great. Great. See, this, AnyDesk is disconnecting. It's because if you do some activities in Android Studio, eventually it will get, see, after completion of the Gradle, your AnyDesk is disconnected. It's because of the internet. And again, if you move to main activity, it will again disconnect. So if the major activity is happening in AnyDisk, I mean in Android Studio, AnyDisk or some network processing software will get disconnected. Got it? Hello, Vedika.
Hello, yeah.
That's it. So you go to main activity now. So what we have created? I mean, what is in main activity? I mean, XML now. What is in XML now? What we have to do?
Coding part.
Yeah, coding path is fine. What do you have to mention here? Are you clear?
Text.
Very good. Great, yeah, great. Go on, go on. Go on. Good, but great. Great, but so the problem, yeah. No, again, you are doing the same mistake. Text view, VIEW. But great, yeah, good start. No, just right. Go on. VIEW. Great, great. Go on, go on. Great. No, it is right, but yeah, great. Okay, then what's next? No, you're not supposed to put here. See, just give me close these things. See, we have to mention inside the on create value, inside the on create. Okay, select here and enter. Yeah, you have to mention here. Got it clear? No problem. See, it's because I have not mentioned the Android components, it seems. Yeah, you do it. At last, I'll tell you. You do it. You're doing really a yeah, 1 second. No. Can you hear me now? Vedika, can you hear me? Okay. See, 1 second. You delete all the fine. I mean, delete the fine. F is not a capital. See, Java is a case-sensitive programming language. Okay. So F is not a capital letter. It is a small letter.
Okay.
No worries. Do it. You are doing really a great job as of now. Great. 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 Enter. Enter it.
Okay.
Now what?
R.id.question.
R.id. Not a question. What is the ID? You entered something, right? I mean, I'm not very sure about that. Let's check again. Don't worry.
Apple app.
R.id. ID.
Apple.
ID. What happened?
Nothing. I just checked what I have
Truth
written.
is the ID. Very good. Very good. Very good. No, Apple is a name. Apple is the text name. ID is the go to XML. Very good. But as of now, it is great. Yeah. Go to fruit. Very good. Fruit is the ID. Okay. Fruit is the text views ID. See, no, yeah. No, not that one. Great. See, are you clear? Fruit is the ID. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So what's next? What do you have to do?
Button, but we have not created a button.
But fine. That doesn't mean that even in text view we can create it. Okay.
Okay.
Now do it. Now, even in text view we can do it. So what do you have to do now? If I select the text view, if I click the select text view, it has to come. So what is the text view's name? Great, yeah. As of now, you are really doing a great job.
Text view name is Apple.
No, text view name, in XML, we are not supposed to consider. It is just a text. See, go to XML. See, no, don't close it. leave it. No, you can leave that. Okay, see, select here. Let me tell you. See, ID is fruit. Okay, ID is fruit. Apple is just a text. It is not the name of the text view. It is just a text. So inside the text view, what text it has to appear, it is not the name. Okay. Whereas in main activity, we are mentioning the name for text view. So the name for text view is question. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Great.
Question there. Yeah.
Great. So you are clear, right? As of now, are you clear? So name text view's name is question, but the text is inside the text view. The text is Apple. So we don't want to put. We don't want to consider the text inside the text view, or we don't want to consider the text inside the button, whatever it is. Okay. So it is just for an appearance. The Apple is there. You got my pointers. So for the if I am the customer, I am downloading your application. So for an appearance only, the Apple is here. So let's consider I have to order an apple. So you have a Swiggy like platform. You have an apple bundle of apple. I just want to purchase an apple. So that you are mentioning it is only for appearance purpose. You are not going to use it in coding. Okay. The only point we are going to use coding is ID. So the ID is fruit. You got the point, right?
Yeah.
Great. Go to main activity. Do it. By tomorrow we can start the color changer application. Okay, for sure.
Yeah.
Do it. So, you don't know what to do next.
Toast, na?
What? Yeah, toast. But what we have to do before that toast? See, we have named the text view here, and no, answer is not the. We have mentioned the text view is question, right? We don't have any answer, right? No problem. It happens.
Yeah.
I'll teach you. I got that you are not understanding this part. I'll teach you. Don't worry. Delete this answer. See, right now we are not created an answer. We are not created a button. Okay. So previously we have created a button named answer. Button name is answer. So while I'm selecting, while I'm clicking the button, it moves to toast and the toast will appear, right? Clear?
Yeah.
So now we have only the text view. So if I select the text view, if I set on click listener in the text view, it has to move to toast. Okay. So now what we have to do?
Yeah.
So previously answer dot set on click listener. So, but here the answer is not here. We have only the question. So what we have to do? You don't-
Question dot.
Very good, yeah. Very good. That's it, yeah. That's it. Miss Vedika, yeah, that's it. That's it. As of it is clear for you, right?
Yeah.
Do it, do it, do it. If it is not clear, please let me know. I'll teach you again. This only part I'll teach you again. You can't understand this. Good. Good. On. Click. Very good, yeah. Enter. So inside the on-click listener, we have to do some new view. Okay. If I click, if I click that, new view will be there. New something will be viewing. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Very good, yeah. No, yeah. Enter that. That's it. You can enter it. That's it. It's because see. No. Go delete this thing. I mean, one second. Let me do it. Okay. New view dot. Okay. Clear.
What did you click?
Nothing.
I mean that.
See what you did is there are two on-click view dot on-click listener. See, you have to select this one. Got it. You can't get.
How did that override and public void came?
It's because yeah, the same thing. Yeah, let me show you again. See, click listener, new. You please do it again. You inside the bracket, you do it again. Now it will come out. Don't worry. Yeah. Yeah. No, spelling is wrong. Please check that. Again, you are doing the. No. Yeah. Yes. Good. Yeah, here it is. Select that. See. Let me tell you. If you select this one, it won't work. See, it is not working, right? Can you get my point? Hello?
Yeah, I got.
It's because the component is
Hello.
totally different. The components are totally different. What you have to do is, again, you have to delete this. Vedika, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
See, you have to delete this.